Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, guys. Good morning, girls. How are you, grade 7? Today, inshallah, you will study in math revision on Pythagorean theorem, topic 7. Okay, you studied in Pythagorean theorem. Okay, first, basic rule. Second, converse of it. Third, applications on it. Number 4, distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane using Pythagoras theorem. Let's go to first exercise. The Pythagorean theorem is a relationship between lengths of sides of what kind of triangle? So you must know that relationship lengths of sides of right. In the right triangle, you can use Pythagorean theorem, just in right. But if you have acute or obtuse triangle, so we can't use Pythagorean theorem. Okay? Okay, like if you have a triangle like this, you have hypotenuse A and the other sides B and C, so we can say A square, hypotenuse power 2 equal side 1 power 2, which is B power 2, plus C power 2. Okay, that's easy. Okay, this number 1. Number 2. Number 2, the three side lengths of a triangle are given. Which triangle is a right triangle? Triangle number 1, root 13, 6, and 7. Take the greatest one, which is 7, power 2, equals or not, maybe equal, maybe not equal, equals 6 power 2 plus root 13 power 2. Okay, then evaluate each of them. 7 power 2 will be 49. Okay, but 6 power 2 plus root 13 power 2, it will be 36 plus 13, 36 plus 13, which is 49. Okay, so they are equal. So if the greatest side of a triangle, if the square of the greatest side of a triangle equals sum of squares of the other two sides, so this triangle is right. So what's the correct answer? Correct answer is letter A, because 7 power 2 equals 6 power 2 plus root 13 power 2. Okay? Next. Number 3. What's the length of the diagonal of a poster board with dimensions 22 inches by 28 inches? Okay, first, imagine with me. Okay, here you have poster like this. Okay, its dimensions are 28 and 22. So this shape like rectangle. Okay, how to find length of the diagonal? Okay, what's the diagonal? The diagonal is a line segment joining two non-adjacent points, non-adjacent vertices. Okay, how to find this one? Okay, if you have a rectangle, so you have a right angle, like this. So how to find the diagonal? Diagonal here in this triangle is hypotenuse. So how to find the hypotenuse? It's easy. So diagonal equal square root of 28 power 2 plus 22 power 2. Okay, why did I add? I add because I have to find diagonal here like hypotenuse, like hypotenuse. So if you want to find the hypotenuse, you will make square root of sum of squares of other sides, sum of squares of the other sides, which is square root 28 power 2 plus 22 power 2, okay? And the answer must be to the nearest tenth, which will be 35.6. So the correct answer is letter C. Okay, go to next. Okay, Srafina says that triangle KLM, which is this one, right triangle. Is she correct? Okay, who can check this triangle right or not? First, take the greatest side, 19, and make square of it. Make square of it. Okay, what about 19 power 2? 19 power 2 equals 361. And take the other sides, which are 12 power 2 plus 16 power 2. Then you can evaluate each of them. 12 power 2, which is 144, plus 16 power 2, which is 256. Okay, add them, it will be 400. Okay. Are they equal, 361 and 400? No. So Serafina is wrong. So is she correct? No. She is wrong. Okay, this exercise. Next one. Lana draws triangle LMN on the coordinate plane. What's the perimeter of triangle LMN? And round to the nearest unit. Okay, look at the figure, guys. How to find the perimeter of any figure in general? Perimeter of any figure, guys, is the sum of outer sides. For example, so now we can say perimeter of this figure equals what? What the outer sides? They are LM plus MN plus LN. But here, guys, you must remember what you studied. What you studied in the distance between 2 points. We studied that distance between 2 points may be horizontal, may be vertical, may be inclined. Okay, horizontal here, like what? Yes, like LN. LN. Okay, vertical distance. Here, no vertical distance. Inclined, yes, like LM and MN. Okay, first, it's easy. It's so easy for you to find horizontal or vertical by counting squares. It's easy. So I can find LN by counting. Okay, count with me from L to N or from N to L. You can find LN by two ways. First way, counting by counting. What? How? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Ln is 12. This is the first way. The second way, by it you can find Ln by subtraction. How? Okay, what about L? L here at -3. N here at, yes, good, at 9. So we can subtract. We can subtract 9 minus -3. 9 minus -3, which is 9 plus 3, which is 12. Which is 12. Okay, this what? Ln equal 12 by counting or by greatest minus smallest. But this what? This about horizontal or vertical. But what about inclined, like LM and MN? How to find that? First, guys, you must make a right angle triangle. Okay, if you want to find LM, for example, so I have to draw from M perpendicular to LN. Why perpendicular? Okay, because Pythagorean depends on right angle triangle, just right angle triangle. So this triangle you can work on it. How? Okay, take it outside like this, and okay, this vertical equals what? Count 1, 2, 3. So this one, this side equal 3. And the horizontal distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 6. How to find the LM? Using Pythagorean theorem. So we can find LM by square root 3 power 2 plus 6 power 2. Then you can evaluate it. Okay? Square root of 3 over 2 plus 36, which is 6 over 2. Okay? It will be 6.7. 6.7. And we notice that how to find the MN by the same way. You have another right angle triangle. So you have 3 and 6. So the same triangle. So MN else equals what? Equals 6.7. So how to find the perimeter? The perimeter of the triangle equals what? Equals sum of the three sides. 6.7 plus 6.7 plus 12. So the answer will be 24.25.4. So the perimeter of this triangle equal 25.4. Thank you for listening and meet you after. إن شاء الله والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.